How are you also very friendly, you know?
We are only following your orders.
What's it too dangerous?
We have no intention of doing that. Like you are.
你跟他讲，我现在有我，我到他那边去行不行？你问他我很友好。And my colonel want to ask you if I drive the car to set Shifasi is okay?
No, that's not the point. The point is that area is, as per Indian law, is our border meeting.
If 你妈的给我结果！你跟他讲，
that point in
现在你妈给我滚！否则有事情你妈直接会把他们接来。
Okay, if that area is disputed, you have to raise that.
I just want to tell you one
same
word.
we will raise. Okay, if we are given orders, if we have to hit that point, then we have to hit. We have no other option. Okay, if you have
My
given
colonel
some
wants
orders, you have to follow the
just
same
want to
orders.
tell you one word.
Yeah, okay.
Tell the two commanders go back right now.
I'll
go
sort.
back right.
We will go right.
If we have no any arguments, you will on the taxi hospitals, you know.
See, we are not here for argument or we are not here to fight. Okay, India is very friendly country.
不想大家就滚！
We will go back. But the point is, the way you are hitting
你
our
那讲老子今天非常是吃不。
that's very wrong. Okay, that's not the way.
If you don't want to fight each other.
See, if we have any miscommunication, if we have some way, so we can talk. Okay, instead of hitting the vehicle, and that's a big loss. Okay,
老子不指望他们。
again, go back right now. We are going right. Okay, we are going right.